PlasmaCar runs off of gravity and friction. It has no batteries and can reach speeds of up to an incredible 6 miles per hour. PlasmaCar is available now at a dealer near you, starting at only $69.99. Kid powered, kid approved.
As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your Dash or Dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.
Okay.
3. Introducing Flickers, the world's first flickable flying disc. It's easy. Just grip it and flick it. And catch it too. Or have fun with the whole family. Flickers were designed for maximum distance and accuracy. Flies over 70 feet. Use it indoors and play catch like never before. Also comes in glow-in-the-dark. Master the advanced tosses like the curve, the sinker, the riser, and crazy catches.
The Flickers Trickshot Net comes with 3 Flickers discs and has flexible legs so you can set it up anywhere.
Compete head-to-head with a friend. Take turns flicking and see who can score the most points.
Flex it. Stand it. Wrap it. Go for distance.
Challenge each other to get creative and set up trick shots and see who can be the first to knock them down. Flickers! Play them anywhere!
Introducing Dot from Wonder Workshop. Dot is the brains of a robot. It's the best way for kids to learn coding and robotics with hands-on play. Right out of the box, Dot is ready to play, no assembly required. Once you connect to our Wonder or Blockly apps, you can make hundreds of games using the built-in tutorial challenges. Like making a light sword, or a fun magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Wonder is easy to learn because we include hundreds of preloaded missions that teach coding in an easy, fun way.
Yippee!
You can save your games and take Dot anywhere without your smartphone or tablet. Turn Dot into a hot potato and go outside. With our Wonder app, Dot can be any gadget or game a child can imagine. Dot is even more fun with our Dash robot. With our Blockly app, your kids will invent endless ways to play with the tube. Dot is the best introduction to coding and robotics with hands-on play.
Way to go!
The Wonder app is available on phones and tablets, and Blockly is available on tablets.
Hi.
For more information, visit makewonder.com.
What do you get when you cross a radioactive spider with a socially challenged teenager? So, are we gonna do something or what?
Tell me a story.
A story? Yeah, I got one for you. Let me tell you the one that started it all. So, a few months ago, my class went on a little school field trip to Oscorp. So yeah, that's how all of this happened.
Tell me a joke.
Okay, how many tickles does it take to make Doc Ock laugh? 10 tickles. Because of the tentacles? Ow, my organ!
Let's fight bad guys.
Let's! There's a bank robbery in progress at Midtown Savings and Loan.
Attack!
Hi there. We'd like to withdraw some felons.
Guard my room.
Guard your room? You got it, partner. A supervillain approaches. Hi-ya!
What time is it?
It's time to fight crime! Woohoo! Oh, you were actually asking. It's 1:36.
Let's play a game.
All right, it's trivia time. J. Jonah Jameson is the editor of which newspaper?
The Daily Bugle.
The Daily Bugle is the one. Good job. You know, it's rude to stare. Come on, let's do something.